This is Eric Kepley of Sanitech doing a sewer scope 3757, Rose Park in West Lynn. We did a liner. Right there is the liner materials we shot through. There is the transition, nice smooth transition all the way through. We're pushing out all the way to the city manhole. Okay, right there is the manhole coming out at the very end. Just a little bit of water at the end, no problem. Guaranteed sewer line repairs for 10 years. Typically see a little bit of water holding, not a lot. Looks like water's running right now. It's probably why we have more water standing there than normal. If you have any questions, give me a call at 503-803-1207. Right there's that transition again. Nice smooth transition point. This will conclude the video.